On this episode of Avid.Venture, jet boating up the Athabasca River, we found ourselves landing a new to us fish species. With the wind gusting 60 kilometers an hour, we navigated shallow, narrow channels and bumpy, white-capped waters. We stopped for lunch, but also ended up having a few snacks along the way. Ha! And of course, no adventure is complete without a few mishaps. Get ready for some laughs. Here we go.
What is going on here? Alright everybody, welcome back to Avid.Venture. My name is Landon if you're new here. Today we're doing something exciting, something I've never done before. We're on the Athabasca River and we're with this guy.
Hey guys, I'm Shane Madsen with Mad Custom Cubs and we're gonna do a little bit of river fishing in the Woolridge.
We're going out on the jet boat on the Athabasca River. Let's go, baby. Ew! All on film, baby.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. Major rookie. Yahoo! We're back, baby!
Done.
Okay, after a beauty boat rip, we've made it to our spot. Shane's picked it out. This is the hot spot, apparently. But Shane, what are we throwing on here? Or what are you throwing on at least?
Well, I'm gonna try at first just a pickle rig, and then we're gonna use some worms and some we got some minnows. We'll just try it up, get that scent out there because it is pretty murky. We had some rain earlier this week and we'll just see what happens. If not, we'll try jigging. Water's a lot lower than normally this time of year, so usually we can bank right up in there and it's just nice going up in that stream.
So yeah, we just had a ton of rain. Water is fairly murky. Shane's gonna throw out some scent. I'm actually gonna try the fly rod. Almost lost the rod, lost my hat. We're off to a good start, people. We're not gonna lose a fish. Let's go. All right, let's try. Oh, my rod's gonna break. Oh, dude, I'm having a...
No way.
I had a bite of it broke off my line.
Oh.
No joke, no joke.
Sweet.
Unbelievable. I only bought one. I'm using 6-pound test.
They're big here in Athabasca River, eh?
That just like... Alright, well, there's fish here, people. That was second cast, but I gotta change heavier line. Maybe even throw in some braid. Woo! Alright, well, after a very short fly fishing session, we're going to now cast spoons. Shane still has the double bait smorgasbord going on. Let's see what we got. First cast spoon.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Nope. Another snag. After a couple snags each, we realized with this low water level, this area was just not going to work.
Too snaggy here? Or?
Yeah, let's go up and try a different spot. Yeah. It's just too shallow here.
All right, we're moving on, guys. Water isn't as deep as we want it to be. After a couple snags, we're on the move.
Anchors away.
How deep are we here?
I don't know, what does it say there?
I don't know. 23 feet.
It's like 30 over there, we might.
Finishing off Shane's train of thought here, it was way too windy. We found ourselves best tucked against the bank, fishing the back eddy.
Almost right down there. I'd try and get right out there, yeah. Sweet spot, right there.
That's the money.
Look at the wind out there.
Yeah.
And they're so hit and miss.
Do you have a sturgeon then? Dude, you got a fish!
Got a fish!
Dude, no way! Shane is on. We didn't know what he had. First fish in the lucky hole. A burbot?
What?
Dude, you got a burbot, dude! What? Oh. Yo, we got a fish regardless. Yee-hoo! I was not expecting a burbot on the list today.
Nope. This is the first time I got burbot in the Athabasca.
Really?
Yeah. This is crazy.
Okay, if you guys saw my ice fishing video on Slave Lake, you'll realize these fish are not for me. Have you eaten one?
Yeah, I don't like them. Like,
No.
I tried the poor man lobster trick, like, and salt water and butter and stuff. I was like, no. So
yeah, I tried it as well, and that's when I realized I'm a visual eater. Because with salmon and trout, I'm judging the taste of the meat on what the fish looks like. And then you get this thing and it looks friggin' nasty. And next thing you know, it's going down my throat. I was like, nah, not for me. Yeah, buddy! Yeah! Perfect. See you later. This one's for you.
Yeah!
We're on the board, people! Woo! I don't even think a fire's gonna work today. Hold on to your ass. Jeez! What? Oh shit! What is going on here? Now we passed off the point where it had that slower.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah?
Yeah, I think I'm on.
Cool.
Weird. Yeah, we're on, baby. Woo! Sick. Oh, I got a what do you call these? A golden eye or whatever it's called.
Oh yeah, there.
Cool. Take a look at that, guys. First ever gold eye. That's cool. That's exciting. Look at that. These are sweet. Heck yeah.
Sweet.
All right. Well, let's release this. Got it. Let's release this little bad boy. Woo!
Right on.
Sweet. Look at that. See you, buddy. Heck yeah. That's exciting. We were just literally about to move. It seems like every time we think about moving, fish on. So maybe we better stay for a little longer, hey?
Yeah, a little more and then we'll go have our barbecue on the...
We're planning on having a fire, but this wind is just gnarly. But I'm sure a fire maybe we'll make do once we get behind some shelter. But yeah, we've each got a fish. Woo! Not the fish, either fish we're hoping for, but
yeah.
a fish is a fish. Holy smokes! Whoa! All right, we're having a hard go with this wind. It's just blasting us, as you've seen from the video, but the plan now is no fire. Shane's got the grill. We're gonna pop the grill down below deck, cook up some snags. I'm gonna keep this pickerel rig, which is the weight on the bottom, 2 hooks, and I'm just running 2 worms, and see if we can get something to come in. Hot dog. Rods in the water. Oh yeah.
Nice.
Look at that. Okay, so today pretty rough with the winds, but we got 1 each. We had a lot of rain, so I wasn't too sure how the fishing day was gonna go, but the more exciting thing is we changed plans today and we're out on the boat because of this wind that you hear. Maybe you can't hear me very good, but we're gonna come back sometime this summer. Shane builds cubs. I'm gonna have the link in the description to his channel. We're gonna take out his hot rod, come back to this river, and
we're gonna land on the gravel bar and do the exact same thing, do a little bit of fishing.
My dream trip of a fly-in fishing. We're gonna take his cub, come in, land on the river, take the rods out, fish, and we're gonna catch more fish than we did today.
We sure hope so.
We sure hope so.
I think we will, we can.
Look at this day, we're out here. We saw one other boat, they were leaving, sun's shining, quality food, good fellowship, can't be beat.
Love it.
With the wind not letting up, it was time to kick the dust off and head downstream looking for a new spot. And as we take a listen here, I'm
feeling good. Feeling optimistic about this spot.
The hopes were high.
Come on. Nice. Yeah, I got one. I put a juicier. Got the other one going.
Huh?
I got that one going. It's all good. Chill, buddy, chill. All right. There we go.
The beast.
Little beauty.
Dun dun.
Da, 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 da. Thank you, buddy. See ya.
Off he goes.
We did it, Shane. Walleye, burbie, goldeye.
Yeah, what's next?
Pike.
Pike.
Pike's next.
Get a cake.
Woo! Sit along. How about, oops. Yeah. That's a goldeye.
Yeah. Good job,
Look at us feet kicked up, man. Let's go. Lonnie is just out fishing. Shane here now.
Killing me.
Jeepers. All right, there we go, guys.
Cool.
Another goldeye. Shiny fish, man.
Yeah, they're cool.
Shiny, shiny fish.
Fight like heck.
They do.
They're fun
they take
to catch.
off. Yeah, I could tell with the wall. I couldn't tell it had something on the line until I started reeling in. But that one was like fast, rapid head bites, head shakes, not bites. All right, guys, that's it for Shane and I on the Athabasca River on the boat. The next video you see with us two in it, we're gonna be flying his sweet cub. You should take a look at that. Link in the description below. Meantime, we had 4 fish to the deck, 3-1.
Hey, he beat me. Thanks for coming out with me, but
yeah. He's not inviting me again, but yeah.
I do that so they do want to keep coming up.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
Perfect guide. He guided me into all the fish. Anyways, guys, tight lines, and we'll see you on the other side.
Peace.